The order of precedence in the United Kingdom is the sequential hierarchy for peers of the realm, officers of state, senior members of the clergy, holders of the various orders of chivalry and other persons in the three legal jurisdictions within the United Kingdom: England and Wales. Scotland, Northern Ireland. Separate orders exist for males and females. Determination of precedence. The order of precedence is determined by various methods. The Precedence Act and the Acts of Union with Scotland and Ireland generally set precedents for members of the nobility. The statutes of the various orders of chivalry set precedents for the members. In other cases, precedents may be decided by the sovereign's order, by a royal warrant of precedence, by letters patent, by Acts of Parliament, or by custom. Source of precedence. One may acquire precedence for various reasons. Firstly, one may be an office holder. Secondly, one may be of a particular degree such as duke. Thirdly, in the case of women, one may be the wife of a title holder. Finally, one may be the son or daughter of a title holder. One does not gain precedence as a daughter of a lady, unless that lady is a member of the royal family or is a peer in her own right. Furthermore, if a daughter of a peer marries a commoner, then she retains her precedence as a daughter of a peer. However, if she marries a peer, then her precedence is based on her husband's status, and not on her father's. The British royal family, the King or Queen of the United Kingdom, as the sovereign, is always first in the order of precedence. The King is followed by the Queen Consort, the first in the order of precedence for women. The reverse, however, is not always true for queens regnant. There is no established law of precedence for a prince consort, so he is usually specially granted precedence above all other males by letters patent, or, on the other hand, may rank lower than the heir apparent or the heir presumptive, even if the heir is his own son. Current practice by order in council, the Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, has place, preeminence and precedence over all men in the United Kingdom, except where provided by Parliament. The Prince of Wales. In 2005, the Queen changed the order of precedence for private occasions, putting Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, fourth in the order of precedence, after herself and Princess Royal and Princess Alexandra, contrary to the usual position of the heirs consort. Charles's first wife, Diana, Princess of Wales, had ranked above the Princess Royal and Princess Alexandra. The Duchess of Cornwall continues to rank second in the order of precedence at official occasions, such as state dinners. The court circular also lists the Duke of Cambridge above his uncles, the Duke of York and the Earl of Wessex. There is no specific place in the order for a great-grandchild of the sovereign. However, Prince George of Cambridge is entitled to precedence before all non-royal dukes as the eldest son of a duke of the blood royal, pursuant to the unrevoked Lord Chamberlain's Order of 1520 as amended in 1595. Offices of state. In England and Wales, the Archbishop of Canterbury is the highest in precedence following the royal family. Then come the Lord Chancellor, the Archbishop of York and the Archbishop of Wales. Next come the Prime Minister as the First Lord of the Treasury, the Lord President of the Privy Council, the Speaker of the House of Commons, the Lord Speaker of the House of Lords, the President of the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom, the Lord Chief Justice of England and Wales and the Lord Privy Seal. The precedence of the Lord Great Chamberlain, the Earl Marshal, the Lord Steward and the Lord Chamberlain are determined by the rank and class of the peerage of the holders of such offices. In Scotland, the Keeper of the Great Seal of Scotland and the Keeper of the Privy Seal of Scotland, if being peers, rank after the Lord Speaker of the House of Lords. If not so, then they rank after the younger sons of dukes. The hereditary High Constable of Scotland and the Master of the Household in Scotland rank above dukes. If the Keepers of the Seals are peers, then the Keepers precede the High Constable and Master. Peers of the realm. The ranks of peers are as follows: Duke, Marquess, Earl, Viscount, and Baron, together with Scottish Lord of Parliament. Within their own respective ranks, the rank of peers correspond to the venerability of the creation of the peerages. But the peerage of England takes precedence over the peerage of Scotland, together taking precedence over the peerage of Great Britain, together over the pre-Union peerage of Ireland, and together they all take precedence over either the senior peerage of the United Kingdom, or the junior post-Union peerage of Ireland, subject to the same governing rules as detailed in the paragraphs above. The rank of the wives of peers is also governed by the venerability of the peerage. A dowager peeress would, however, always precede the wife of the present peer. Barons and baronesses of the life peerage rank immediately below barons and baronesses of the hereditary peerage and Scottish lords and ladies in Parliament. Primates, archbishops, bishops, Scottish Lord High Commissioners and moderators. The Archbishop of Canterbury, primate of all England, is the most senior person outside of royalty, and after the Lord Chancellor, immediately followed by the Archbishop of York, primate of England, and immediately followed by the Archbishop of Wales. Primates, archbishops and bishops of the Church of England in England and the Church in Wales rank immediately above peers. First come the bishops of London and Durham, followed by the Bishop of Winchester, followed by the other diocesan bishops in order of seniority, and then the suffragan bishops in order of seniority, the Bishop of Sodor and Man and the Anglican Bishop of Gibraltar in Europe, whose sees are full and integral parts of the ecclesiastical provinces of York and Canterbury, respectively, are also usually included as suffragan bishops of the Church of England for the purpose of precedence. See the list of Lords Spiritual from the most senior 21 diocesan bishops ordered by seniority. In Scotland, the Lord High Commissioner to the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland ranks immediately below the sovereign consort, but only when the General Assembly is in session, and immediately followed by the moderator of the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland, according to the unofficial order of precedence for Northern Ireland published by the publishers of Burke's Peerage, 106th edition. The precedence of all of the primates and archbishops of the Roman Catholic Church in Ireland and the Church of Ireland, together with the moderator of the Presbyterian Church in Ireland, are to be determined solely by seniority, according to the dates of consecration or translation, or the date of election in the case of the Presbyterian moderator, without any presumation of automatic Roman Catholic or Protestant seniority, Anglican or Presbyterian, baronets, knights and holders of state honours. The three highest orders of chivalry in England and Wales, Scotland, and Ireland are the orders of the Garter, the Thistle, and St. Patrick, respectively. Knights of the Order of the Garter precede baronets. After the baronets come the members of all the other orders of chivalry in the following order of the ranks: Knight, Dame, Head Cross, Knighted Dame, Commander, Commander, a companion, Lieutenant or officer, a member. 4 individual members with equivalent ranks but of different orders. Precedence is accorded based on the seniority of the orders of chivalry: the Order of the Bath, the Order of the Star of India, the Order of St. Michael and St. George, the Order of the Indian Empire, the Royal Victorian Order, and the Order of the British Empire. 4 equivalent ranks and orders. Those appointed earlier precede those appointed later. Knights Bachelor come after Knights Commander of the Order of the British Empire. Wives of Knights of the Garter, Knights of the Thistle, Knights of St. Patrick, Knights Grand Cross, Knights Commanders, and Commanders or companions receive precedence based on the husband's positions. Wives of individuals of a certain rank follow in precedence after female holders of the same rank. Thus, wives of Knights Grand Cross follow Dames Grand Cross. Wives of baronets go immediately above all Dames Grand Cross but are below ladies and wives of Knights of the Garter, the Thistle, and St. Patrick. Baronets' widows follow rules similar to dowager peeresses. A widow of a previous baronet comes immediately before the wife of the present baronet.